Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss freckles and spots, energy and blood imbalance. For freckles and spots, freckles trouble many women, and lots of them would try various anti-freckle creams, but fail and make the skin more fragile. In fact, eradication can only be realized when the source of freckles is found. Um, Genetics, UV exposure, and hormonal are contributors to freckles. There are chiefly three reasons for freckles. First, melanin cannot be discharged due to the slowdown of metabolism. The second cause is the cumulative harm of the sunlight to the skin. The third reason is imbalanced endocrine due to tension in life and irregular daily routine, leading to the increase of abnormal secretion of the melanin. From the angle of Chinese medicine, freckles are related to the vital energy and blood in main and collateral channels. The skin is closely associated with inner organs, main and collateral channels, as well as vital energy and blood. People would look young with shiny and fine skin if the functions of their inner organs are normal, with energetic vitality and blood, as well as smoothly functioning main and collateral channels. Otherwise, there will be various problems with the skin. The blockage of vital energy and blood in main and collateral channels tend to be associated with such elements as the cold and damp, which are featured by the coldness, condensation, and blockage. They will affect the circulation of vital energy and blood. Block they block metabolism and keep body waste inside, thus leading to the precipitation of melanin, which appears in the form of freckles. Gua sha cleans the inner environment, which is crucial to freckle removal. As it seems, gua sha serves to expel toxin only at certain areas, but it mobilizes the vital energy and blood all over the body and promotes their circulation. At the same time, it serves to avoid the precipitation of toxin in blood vessels and in the skin. This is not only this is not only to eradicate the elements of the growth of freckles and speed up the elimination of freckles, but also help maintain the health of blood vessels. Freckles directly influence our facial beauty though they are not harmful to our health. According to Chinese medicine, freckles are associated with weakness of kidneys and lungs. Kidneys are in charge of storing essential elements of the human body. Adequate essential elements and vigorous yang energy can speed up the decomposition of black pigment and obviously lighten freckles. Therefore, emphasis should be put on adjusting the functions of lungs and kidneys in the course of the scraping therapy. The irradiation of ultraviolet will speed up the generation of lots of black pigment on the skin. Some stranded and precipitated black pigment on the skin lead to the formation or aggravation of freckles. Therefore, trying to avoid being exposed to the sunlight for a long time can effectively prevent and improve freckles. As for recommendation procedures for the facial gua sha method, with the face cleaned and the scraping cream smeared, use the flat scraping to scrape the forehead, the surrounding areas of eyes, the cheeks, the surrounding areas of lips, the nose, and the lower jaw from inside to outside. In order, scraping on the nose should be done from up and down. Pressing and kneading should be emphatically done on the corresponding area of the lungs and the kidneys, as well as areas with more freckles on the face, until the skin feels slightly hot and turns red. For face shu point, gan shu point, and shen shu point, the method use the surface scraping to scrape from bladder 13, bladder 18, bladder 18 point to bladder 23 point of bladder meridian on the back from up to down. The fascia point bladder 13, 1 point soon beside the third thoracic vertebra on the inner side of the scapula. For the bladder 18, it's 1 point soon away from the ninth thoracic spinal process on the inner side of the scapula. For, for bladder 23, it's 1 point soon horizontally away from the second lumbar spinal process. For the face, it's the holographic area of the lungs on the face and the holographic area of the kidneys of the face. Thank you for your attention.